You're the one who's hurting me. Hide your love, don't let me see. My heart's quiet, lost in pain, cold inside like endless rain. You ignite a fire in me, burning deep won't set me free. Every scar you leave behind takes my dreams out of my mind. Lonely nights, no light to find, like a switch you left behind. Even summer feels so cold when your warmth I cannot hold. Don't light up this flame again. Don't you play me like a game. Don't you break what I desire. Don't steal my mind with love and fire. I'm still the same, still addicted to your flame. Love inside won't fade away, even time can make it stay. Try to lock it, hold it down, still my heart runs back around. Even when I tell it no, it keeps chasing where you go. Lonely nights, no light to find, like a candle left behind. Even summer feels so cold when you're warm I cannot hold. Don't light up this flame again. Don't you play me like a game. Don't you break what I desire. Don't steal my mind with love and fire. No one else can make me feel all this pain that feels so real. I was chasing perfect lies, sweet illusions in disguise. Burned 1,000 times for you, still came back like fools all do. Even heaven touched my lips, still I never had your kiss. Lonely nights, no light to find, like a candle left behind. Even summer feels so cold